Hey guys, how you doing? This is Jeff from Captain Swiss House of Fire again. Just giving you guys a quick burn video and rundown. This is the Valor L2 linear gas fireplace. This is a 50-inch model. They also come in an L1, which is a 40, and an L3, which is a 64-inch viewing area. We're burning this here. This is using the Long Beach driftwood logs in conjunction with the reflective glass panels in the back. There's a number of media options available for this particular fireplace. You could have just plain fiberglass, a number of different rock and shale sets, as well as split wood and driftwood, which we have here. The driftwood's been very popular lately. We're on Long Island. A lot of people live by the water, and it really adds to the ambiance. Very nice, especially if you're doing like a beachy theme in your home. These are driftwood logs. So another nice benefit of this particular fireplace and Valor and the L series in general is they're available with the optional heat shift system. So what this does is it basically takes the heat, majority of the heat that's coming out of the face of the fireplace from the fire, and it uses basically a gravity vent. It goes behind the wall and it goes out up there. So that vents the heat out up above your television and electronics to help keep them from getting damaged. It also keeps the wall nice and cool as well. So that the effect of the gravity, the rising of the air, the hot air actually almost works like a fan without requiring electricity, which these Valor models do not. They run simply off of 4 AA batteries. So it comes standard with the remote control as well as a multifunction wall switch. We could raise and lower the flame as well. And these will also come with a standard safety barrier. So it's a mesh. I don't know if you could see it here, but this keeps your kitties from burning their fingers and faces to the front of the fireplace. And that's pretty much it. If you need one, you got any questions, give us a call. This is Jeff from Captain Soot's House of Fire. We reached at 631-842-2336. Thank you very much.